Cause all I do is dress and rest.
Because all I do is dress and rest. And that's the name of this channel, Nesting and Resting. That's where I got this channel name from because that's what I want to do. I'm ready to nest in this house and rest. Fill it full of beautiful things to decorate and rest. We're going to call it a life right here. And you can too. Go get your house. Go get your house. And you got to make some sacrifices. I made the sacrifice of moving from this to this in the back of my mama's house. And yeah, I got talked about. People had something to say, but that's okay. I was on a mission. I had a goal, and I watched this house get built from the ground up. That soul sign for sale sign, that sign in front of this house that says sold belongs to me, you know? And what God has in store for you, let nobody take it away because you are ready to nest and rest. All right, y'all. Please support my channel, Nesting and Resting. It's a good channel. It's a new channel. I want to talk about real things. I need some help decorating because decorating is not my forte. So help me out, y'all. Come to my channel, Nesting and Resting. Bye.